Everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to earn TikTok fans without verification. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web tutorials and videos. Moving on today's topic. If you are looking for ways to increase your TikTok fans but without having to do any human verifications, definitely do that, and we are going to help you with this video. Do watch our video till the end and learn how to increase your TikTok fans. So first of all, you must be logged into your TikTok account. Go to your profile button and at the three dots you can see at the top right corner, you will see there is share profile option in the account section. Tap on share profile. Then you can see there are send to and share to option. In the share to section you can see copy link. Tap on copy link. Therefore the link of your account has been copied. Now go back on your device, open a web browser. And in the web browser you have to go to the search box and enter a web address fbsub.net. Visit this website. Then you can see the freer option with the visit button. Tap on that. You just need to verify that you are human, so go along with the process. So now we are going to use this website for our TikTok, so tap on TikTok use button. So in this box you have to enter your profile URL or username. So you remember we just copied our TikTok profile link, so in the box you have to tap and paste your link and tap on find button. Now this website has searched for your TikTok account, so if this is your TikTok account, you can see at the bottom there are send fans. So tap on that blue send fans button. Tapping that you will get the fans from this website and it will be added into your TikTok account and your fans will be increased more than you had before. So once you have tapped on the button, you go back to your TikTok account, you see you will get the number of fans increased and already so much followers on your TikTok profile. So in this way that you can get TikTok fans without having to do any verifications. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to get TikTok fans without verifications. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them to us in the comment section below.